I think these are rose hips. Not sure. If you have any ideas, let me know. Uncle Mud here. Had a lovely sleep last night in the back of the Prius pickup truck. I just set up my handy thermarest on top of this amazing cot, Ashtabula, that it folds down like to fit in my carry-on luggage, but then together those are like more comfortable than my bed at home. But I slept out under the stars and the trees last night here at the Reeds and Roots Festival. There's our Steph who organized it. Yay! It's a great low-key sort of a thing in these COVID times. We decided to not have the normal festival, which would have been swarming with people. We just had a little get-together. Still got like 70 people here, because people are just so starved for being with each other. So we're out here in Ashtabula, Ohio at the Historical Society log cabin. They've let us use their site here. Getting ready. I mixed up a bunch of cob last night with my mixer. We're gonna build little cob walls, show people how to do that. This guy here has been teaching fly fishing. Got all these great skill shares here. Great to see all my sharing peeps and get muddy with some of them. This is a fun log cabin. It's been here for a hell of a long time. 1810. That was like before I was born. Look at the size of some of these logs though. Kind of wish they wouldn't use cement on them because it helps it rot faster. But look at that log. I mean, I got a fairly big hand, but that's a big log. I'm grateful they keep this spot for people to use and start to, understand what our ancestors did. Got some water here for making our mud later. Oh, look at this kitchen. Oh, I should have checked with them. It would have been fun to bake bread in this oven, but it probably takes like a day to fire it up. Fun little. Oh, I even got a food service license for this little outdoor kitchen here. Such a beautiful day. Hope you'll join us at the next Skillshare Reeds and Roots in Northeast Ohio. Fantastic group of people. Come get muddy with us, or learn about herbal tinctures or fly fishing or organizing your neighbors to handle crises, or how to use sound to chill yourself out, or there's all sorts of people come to share the things they know how to do. Really exciting. I'll catch you next time. UncleMud.com